This is Max Lagosmith. We have this Honda Odyssey 2008. We're going to replace this PCM, ECM for this vehicle. The customer requested to replace it. Already replaced it, but it's now we're going to program it. First all, you need to go to I'm using Autel IM508S. First we need to go to immobilizer system. Figure out this immobilizer. We're going to the manually the Honda. Scan it with the VIN number. That is this not right VIN number, but for new PCM plate key. It's going auto scan. Turn ignition on, already on. Okay, third generation, the Honda. Okay, you need to go to MO learning, and then you need to go to this ECM PCM replacement. Make sure battery voltage is good. Now we have this 12.12. It's okay. Sometimes take long little, around the 1-2 minutes. You can see how long take it. Yeah, we have the blade key. Okay, turn ignition off, turn ignition on, same key. You can check this immobilizer light is off. I'm going to pause the video. Okay. Now you need to It's register, turn ignition off. Now we check the car we can run. Okay, the car running. Okay, turn ignition on. It's already on. Smart key install the vehicle. It's not have smart key install it. Okay, it's complete. Now we're going to change the VIN number because this VIN number is not right for this vehicle. And then first all you need to go to this. Sorry, you need to go back. Turn ignition on. Go back. Go back. Go back. Exit. Going back. Going to diagnostic, going to Honda. Okay, Honda. Going to automatic. Okay, it's fine. Read the VIN number. Okay, this is not right VIN number. Okay. Go to USA. Okay. Going to diagnostic, control unit, engine PGM FI, go that one. Here again, go here. Okay, yeah. Somewhere's I think see spark production. Okay. VIN check. Okay. Click here. Now you need to put the VIN. Just pause the video. Okay, we put the new VIN. Click on it. This is right VIN. Double check. Okay. That's been right. Okay, that's his whole thing. Thank you very much. This is Max Locksmith. Thank you. Bye.